Well, some absolutely beautiful, stunning, in fact, 1820s, 1830s English Felspar porcelain. Can't find the exact maker on this one. We've done extensive research because it's part of a part dinner service that's come our way. Been listing it gradually over the last 6 months. Beautifully hand decorated turquoise and green floral decoration with this superb extended tall gilded pineapple with the four leaves coming down on the top. As you can see, it's a little sauce tureen with its little ladle cut out in the lid in absolutely gorgeous condition. The lid is actually bolted on, so it's made in two parts, and a metal bolt and washer runs through there to hold it in place. Just an impression of the quality when it was made. Beautiful decoration, really fine. I think it's probably made by Copeland and Garrett. When we've done the research, the nearest pattern references we can find certainly match things that were being produced by that factory at this time. Beautiful little flying butterfly coming off the floral design on the front of this little sauce tureen. Nice shell moulded handles with a cutout on the inner wall, so it doesn't quite, that shell moulding doesn't quite make it back, as you can see, onto the wall of the little tureen. Moulded in two halves and joined together. You can see the join rib down there. Yeah. And the base plate, classic antique ware, right patterner. Unfortunately, no manufacturer's marks, and there were no manufacturer's marks on any pieces that came in this set. So all we can say for certain is it's a fine piece of English early 19th century Felspar porcelain, beautifully decorated. Whoever painted this really knew what they were doing and had some experience. Fantastically moulded and in really very, very good, clean, antique condition. The glaze, as you can see, beautifully conserved, and the gilt on that tall pineapple handle, absolutely stunning. Really pops, beautiful thing for display. Nice little silver or silver plated sauce ladle would fit very nicely on this for serving sauces, small soups or vegetables to the table, but it's probably going to be a cabinet piece for display. Going to a collector looking for something that's just absolutely stunning. Thanks for watching.